Good morning and thank you for joining us for Wednesday's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about recent developments. Emily.
BlackRock's spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund has become the fastest ETF in history to surpass $70 billion in assets under management. BlackRock's Bitcoin ETF milestone came shortly after the fund wrapped up a massive 31-day inflow streak. The World Bank slashed its global growth forecast for 2025 by 0.4 percentage points to 2.3%, saying that higher tariffs and heightened uncertainty posed a significant headwind for nearly all economies, including US, China and the EU. Gold prices edged lower as traders closely monitored US-China talks, the outcome of which could simmer down trade tensions and boost the global economy, lessening demand for safe haven assets, while a rising US dollar added pressure.
The sterling dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair plummeted in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Wednesday's Market Outlook. On behalf of us all here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.